Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to change your name in Google Meet. First, navigate to the Google Meet app on your mobile phone. Next, hit the New button to start the meeting and tap on the Create link. After tapping on Join Meeting, tap on the three dots icon shown at the bottom line. In the next step, select Add Others and tap on your profile. Then, go to your Gmail app and tap on your profile shown at the top right corner. Here, select the Manage Your Profile option and reach the Personal Info. Now scroll down and tap on your name. After that, type another name that you want to edit. Next, go to the Google Meet app again and you will see the changed name here. In this way, you can change your name in Google Meet. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.